Title: The Mystery of the Crop Circle Story. In the peaceful village of Greenvale, the farmers wake up one morning to find strange crop circles in their fields. The circles are large, perfectly shaped, and appear overnight without any explanation. The villagers are puzzled and a bit frightened. Soon after the crop circles appear, strange things begin to happen. Plants start wilting. Animals act strangely, and the villagers feel tired and unhappy, as if a bad energy is spreading through the village. The children of Greenvale, led by a curious and brave girl named Sophie, decide to investigate. Along with her friends, Leo, Mia, and Tim, Sophie believes that the crop circles are a clue to something bigger. They start by talking to the oldest villager, Grandpa Joe, who tells them stories about the land and how it's always been protected by good energy. But he also warns them that long ago, bad energy once tried to take over the village. And it took the combined efforts of the villagers to stop it. The kids explore the crop circles closely, noticing patterns that remind them of ancient symbols they've seen in Grandpa Joe's old books. With his help, they decipher the symbols and learn that the crop circles are not made by humans. They are a warning from the earth itself, signaling that something is disturbing the natural balance. As they dig deeper, the kids discover that a large factory recently built on the outskirts of the village is polluting the river and land, causing the bad energy. They realize that the factory is disrupting the natural harmony of Greenvale, and the crop circles are the earth's way of asking for help. The children share their findings with the villagers, who are initially skeptical but eventually come together when they see the damage firsthand. With Sophie leading the charge, the villagers confront the factory owners and demand changes. The factory agrees to clean up its act, using cleaner methods that don't harm the environment. Once the factory stops polluting, the crop circles disappear, the plants begin to thrive again. The animals return to normal, and the villagers' spirits are lifted. The bad energy fades, and peace is restored to Greenvale. The villagers thank Sophie and her friends for their bravery and clever thinking, realizing that when they work together, they can overcome any problem. In the end, the kids are hailed as heroes, and the village celebrates with a big harvest festival, honoring the land and the power of community. Sophie, Leo, Mia, and Tim know that if another mystery ever arises, they'll be ready to solve it together.